Get ready to just make yourself comfortable and shut your eyes now. Let your hands lie loosely in your lap or at your side if that's easier. Just be comfortable and relax your entire body as much as you are able to. Now, I want you to take a deep breath and hold it for a minute before exhaling slowly. Just letting your whole body relax as you do. And I want you to keep your eyes shut now and just keep listening restfully to the sound of my voice. And as you're listening to the sound of my voice, I want you to center for a moment on your breathing. Breathing slowly and steady and evenly. And as you exhale each time, just letting your whole body relax more and more so that you gradually find yourself feeling like your whole body was settling further and further into the chair with each breath you breathe. And just the thought of breathing and unwinding makes you feel as though you're sinking down. 5, sinking deeper. 4, and each breath makes you feel more at ease. 3, and with every breath you feel yourself going deeper and deeper, more relaxed. 2, down once more. Breathing softly, releasing, and 1, completely relaxed. Breathe in and hold to the count of 4, and then let go with an open mouth. Now, duplicate the breathing 4 times. Taking in the deep breaths, you will feel yourself relaxing totally. You let go of all pressing thoughts and concerns. You're breathing in peace and breathing out all negative energy. Now, with your mind and emotional nature, start to sense and to feel the presence that's all around you and inside you. Contemplate the universe that occupies the same space that you do. Let this joyous spirit fill your consciousness with itself. Feel the dynamic power as your mental and emotional natures start to pulsate to that spiritual vibration. As you relax in the presence in your mind, view a white screen. On this screen, visualize the words, "I choose," with lines following after the words, "You choose." Now fill in the blank spaces after the word choose. Do this mentally in your own script. Merely imagine that you're writing on the inner tablet of your mind your choices for this specific time in your life. After you've mentally written in your desires, go back and center on every word with great clarity. Visualize each word really clearly. Let the words get deeply imprinted in your mind. Now state to yourself silently, "I have the fulfillment of this desire today." With all of your mind, heart, and soul, accept this fulfillment today. Feel the spiritual idea representing this fulfillment entering your consciousness. It's the idea of completion. It's moved into your feeling nature's vibration, where it's warm and pleasant with the feeling of love. Accept the great that the universe has for you now. As you've accepted the fulfillment of your desire, you have it now. You now have the object of your desire. You no more need what you formerly wanted, for now you have it. You love the feeling of having. It feels so great. Through this knowledge of having, you know that you are that which you desire. Now, in your mind's eye, view the white screen over again, and on the blank screen, start to play your mental movie. See yourself doing, being, having, and enjoying your good in overflowing measure. See yourself being joyous, happy, loving, and free. Then add color, sound, and dimension to your picture. This is the universe working inside you. Nothing is too great for you to have or to experience. Recognize that only that which is perfect, ample, good, beautiful, loving, peaceful, and joyful is now booming forth into manifestation in your world. Feel the serenity and the joy that comes to you with it. Feel it sit softly on your shoulders. Allow it to nestle down into your chest and heart. This is pure universe energy. You carry it with you at each moment, but you must realize that it's there. You must feel it, visualize it, and seal yourself inside it. Recognize that your connection with the source of all life has been recognized, and a blessing given each time the acknowledgement is made. As you ready yourself to come back to your conscious, aware state, remember to bring back a reminder. Something to bring you back to the place where you can gather the strength that is greater than any of your fears. And now return to your conscious self within your special place and be grateful for and completely aware of your deep-rooted sense of unity with the universe. As you breathe deeply, it's time to return as we go from 1 to 5. Number 1. You're slowly coming back to your awareness. 2. Feeling alive and rested and deeply strong. 3. Returning with amplified self-assurance and ability to follow through. 4. Feeling the essence of being in your body that is empowered and dedicated as well as self-approving, paying attention to the sounds and the light in the room. And 5. When you are completely ready, open your eyes and return to the room, knowing all the while that life is to be savored and lived. You have just taken steps to bring your own success, to boost your harmony and oneness with the universe, to do what is necessary to be strong, confident, and self-assured. Listen to this series often to tap into your newfound inner peace.